How you coming? 2000 on some Ricks, I just stepped on a nigga. What bitch, I just hit another lick, I just fucked up another chick. I step out and my shit hit. I got a nigga life sitting on my neck. Diamonds in different colors, told the Carter. Came from the gutter, slime with my brother. I'm back on the road with them things, I'm back in the club with the gang. I spent at least $1 on the chain. You pushing the shit or you strain. Get equipped to the game, it's dangerous. Different breed, never not the same. You been holding me down, it's drain. Every day I take it up another notch. I'm in the studio, maintain. Go upside your head with a bang. Gonna be bloodshed about the things we believe in. Going gas chain. Ain't no chopping it up with a goof. Niggas running you down out the roof. Had to constantly get in the booth. Keep these words, ain't that much truth. Keep it quiet. They done already tried deceiving me. But these bitches ain't leaving me. Did what it needed to be. Cut a hoe off. I did it immediately. Ain't no defeating me. Take all these bitches. Ain't no defeating me. New fettuccine, just order some more. New Lamborghini. You must forgot the 56 nights for this is better than some Geico. Big 4 Magger, big toe tagger. Put on Nick Jagger. You must have forgot who had her before you had her. Put on had her. There's no need to go through the data. My new bitch is better. I seen this shit. Before you go public, tell nigga take up the budget. I come for that muddy, young back on that muddy, young back on that dirty. Bitch, you could've never loved me. Tried to make you feel the wrath. Stack it taller than giraffe. Ski. Make it do what it's supposed to be, just put the ham libs on it. Spend a 50 on that crib, I got another big year coming. Crank it up and I switch gears on it. Where you going? Hustle like I was back on the front street. Do this shit in a whole nother country. I been nigga to get back on this boat of lean before I even drop the tape. Supposed to be intoxicated. I feel like I'm supposed to be intoxicated. Let's go. How I feel just to stuck up with Honda. Tipping having my way with the money young. I got at it and went on the run. Another month I do up with 200. Fuck all these hoes I'm seeing. Go tell that little rat who winning. Niggas know they can't come to the trench. What's up? Niggas know I'm still running this shit. Hey, gang. I press a button, it's a back door. What up? I press a button, niggas cutting throats. I press a button, hell, the gun smoke. I came in the game with a gun on my back and I'm falling off. What you say? Got kingpins, they be counting on me just to keep it raw. These little hitters, they all depend on me cause they still can come. They see what I come from grind and winning the national. Whoa. I press a button, it's a back door. What up? I press a button, niggas cutting throats. I press a button, hell, the gun smoke. I press a button, it's a back door. What up? I press a button, niggas cutting throats. I press a button, hell, the gun smoke.